Yeah, hi there. So today I want to talk about exhaust systems. I have a DR650. This is a 19 model, but they all the same as you may know. So there is very big different weights of them. And there's also a noticeable difference in performance of them. I got the original OEM exhaust here, complete from Suzuki, and I got the FMF power core here, that is with the power bomb, I think it's called, and I got the Australian a complete system here from Tune, made in Australia. Really nice exhaust. Now the power core is the loudest, even with the spark arrestor inside. This one has the spark arrestor inside. It's still a bit loud. You can ride it so it's not too bad if you don't give too much gas. The Tune is down the middle. It's noticeably quieter. Of course, you would all know that the original exhaust is very quiet. Very quiet. You can hardly hear the exhaust. Now, I wanted to make a funny comparison here. Now, the original exhaust on the inside, this one, as you can see in the camera, have not the welding. The welding is still there, so it's not polished down. I got my verniers, and it is, can you see this? 32.3 inside. 32.3. 33.2 for the OEM. Okay. Okay. Of course, the original exhaust, I don't believe it matters so much what it is here, because in the end there's not coming much out of, before it gets out of in the atmosphere through this very big exhaust muffler. It's really small. Now, then I got the Tune. That's a really nice system, and it's nice and quite smooth inside here. Nice welding, I would say, and got 35.55. So I'll just write that up here. So those measurements is of course all new, and now the power core here with the firebomb, we're just measuring that one too. And what do we have here? About the same, 35.95. I thought that would have been bigger. Okay, so I tried them both earlier. I made a sound comparison, and the original one is very quiet. You can hear everything in the motor, from piston rings and everything if you have sounds there. The Tune is very tolerable. The FMF can be tolerable if you don't floor it. If you give a lot of gas, it's almost it's loud. Now I wanted to try another thing. The weight. There's a big weight difference, and if you can just have my weight here, that is 71.4. 71.4, right? And now I'll try with the original exhaust. How much do I weigh now? You got 78.1 mil kg. So that is almost 7 kilos for the original exhaust. Now we try the stain tune. And what do we have in that one? 75.7. That makes 4.3 kilos. Now the FMF, try that one. 74.7. So you can do the math. This one will then weigh 3.3 kilos. 3.3 kilos. This one weigh 4.3. And the original one weigh 6.7. The original exhaust had that one diameter in the front, and it weighs 6.7 kilos. And the stain tune 35.55, and it weighs 4.3 kilos. FMF power core have almost the same as the stain tune, and is 1 kilo lighter. I tried to set it up as recommended, but both the stain tune and the FMF power core come with instructions or recommendations. And I set up the FMF power core with DynoJet needle and quite a big jet in 155 and 160. I tried. The stain tune I set with 145. I found that works the best, 145. So that's only a little bit bigger than original. And the original I only tried with the original setting. That's about 140 main jet and the original needle. The power core is the most powerful and the noisiest and the lightest. It's about 1,100–1,200 Australian dollars. Stain tune is a bit harder to get, but actually you can get it now. I actually got this system here second hand. It actually was on a bike I bought. That's about $1,000. I do not know what the original exhaust cost. But anyway, those were about the 3 exhaust systems that I tried. As I said, the power core is the most powerful and the lightest. It sounds almost like a racing bike. And the stain tunes sound nothing like a racing pipe. It's just a little bit louder than the original. The original sound very much like almost like like an original exhaust. The bike go really good with all of them. The FMF, I have to say, I had the DynoJet in that one as well. That may have helped a little bit because I have a very tapered needle. But it was, I could feel that was the most powerful of those exhausts. But they're all nice. It's a nice bike and it's nice to ride. I would like to demonstrate for you guys, if you'd like to know. You can hear the sound as well. I will start up the stain tune here. This motor is not really hot, so I'll just let it. Let's just listen to the exhaust, please. So that's the exhaust sound, quite nice and soft like. Exhaust on this one. different sounds on them. Just this one again. I don't have a standard one I can try for you, but I will have that in the near future. Maybe I can add that. Let's just listen to the stand tune again. And thanks for watching, and ride safe.